Papa.
You see, Intina, I'm a believer of culture or tradition. Me nyankrofo so sa buru culture no. I'm not that kind of person. I believe in ye ankasa ye de. And he said, "John, say no kwasem pa say ye yamamre ni amane ye ni fi ye ni ehui. So say ye da so kremu a ti san nyama basabasa we say John anka beba. Ene kremu ha friend krofo bi to pack amaro shako 50 cent. Ayi your friend say Puff Daddy. Wyclef crowd there so called Nyansa kakra.
Oh, are you saying so mabom dinya? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Puff Daddy Nyansa called the prison. Why? You see, said Dino now. Oh, Puff Daddy Nyansa. Now Nyansa.
Issue apology.
I will not issue any apology. Oh, Nyansa son called the prison.
What you started with Tupac.
Oh,
issue apology.
Issue apology. You see, and na yakofa omu culture diabet enkurano nin na omu yenema gangsterism. Sejon, gangsterism. Oko kan pe yes global village. Yes, global village. Abrofo no ye de no ye omo fe. Omo sua ye de no. Eye ni yie, but yen ko form de na ya se no. Etinye nwanwa se obekọ TikTok, be content video so. Na pani no didi atem. Na ye nyam panifo ni bi so na omo hye nkura ne kutupa na omo didi panifo atem. So you those days na ma ni ho. So ho, hwe de akoduru. De me ya se mi kurum. Enkoko. I want to fa kokko.
Yeah. So where I want to kwa is all.
Yes.
Is all. Yeah.
So ho. Sir John, say emrana ni bedi. Enti me de me odidi e Ghana mra ni mu nti.
Ono no cry na ni nyina say you say.
Sir.
They ono wan na ni nyina.
We say. Sir John, me de no to ho no. Na ahafo de na asefe menwa me hu video no. Na me hu video na me nyanya story ni yonto say mo kana no pe say. Ne say MPB allegedly
yes ono ne ba say Colin Zada na asoma no
MP no
ai
na say Colin Zada so ye MP
o say
MP no Colin Zada asoma no MP no
ai so ni
and da bi o me ba e ho ye Colin Zada constituency
ai ono yes na ono no asoma ne na yi
ono chese ono na aso
ai
me nyin say Colin Zada be yesa o wonye ono abo onye sa o Colin ne yes few ne fi onye sa da ono ane de na adwene aye bibi opeso de koto honorable Colin Zada very matured or experience of politics and very mature or one of those MPs na Sejon IB elder say enema e kire so parliament ne yesi yekubusa abrewa o kamera wa fo na yekubusa omo no say onimnyansa pa onye sa
and na me hwehwe sa video no obekaya campaign time no there was a video bi an Alhaji Collins that share or share sneakers bi sa
no
na or share no na about sa mining this anime na o preach say obi antimi stop you from doing mining or area
AI
yo
onye sa
yo
so into wudi onim ye man the benefit of the doubt nipa bonefo obi kuriye ne boni a otimi ebo obi adi se onaye minu se honorable Colin Zada with his experience with his depth of wisdom and all of that parliament no on suma se obi enko disa ehukasem no so onye sa kwakuado enti kwakuado na akofa na asem ye deal with kwakuado biliza kwakuado ona akofa na asem I was saying come you no aboni free ho
adenji
na say o kan na candidate there we win I need free honorable
is so MP
we na say Collins that and yes okay
we
are sutifi
ono no we are ono no was sutifi north
na Collins was sunafo north
yes
na come on ono Collins sunafo north there was sutifi north dey no cosma when be say koye you see it na make say yenyi ni frame on ma Collins ono mo Collins that tan be nwen ne ho onye saa de no yes ono na akoye saa de no ono ana akodi ni bone and he has to face the law for that
yeah sure say
so
ebi a wa anticipate say ebedru
that level no
think what the 2 years maybe MP no kwa mediation
you see one of the ntia sometimes adwuma ne edema aman penny for no oman penny his excellency John Dramani Mahama ye di obetimi bia se galamsey ebebrase di oso yi bia oye enkrofo a mo fomo a mo se wo se mo boa no ma na ni suade hu no ebe mu no so ndie ebi mo ye wo fomo
of I said this is not what Colonel Boa promised the president and Ghanaians over PV over also on the paper benti minim Colonel on na operations commander for NAIMOS yeah
so ho and na soldier for say John edu that level no say John a soldier for no man yen take you for granted is how hwe e ma yen a soldier for no e ma yen she boys bi achi ma ye a soldier for no yen take you for granted is how wo mo ka omo ho a me de me no mo nete se me ka soldier for asem a minim de me ka no afra me anumre me no mo nya na ebo volley ho no
yes I mean
wonu omo hia di nkoma ni ma ne bi omo ni nyi ho
yes I mean offer is right offer yes I remember so say they will be ruthless Sano kai
so e mo take omo for granted o
after obia
it is omo chase so omo yesa omo chase so omo yesa na sa soldier for so chase so omo keka omo ho a all that they need is the blessing from the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, who is essentially the president of the republic.
But with the fight there,
Monkoye de also moye.
No, you see, man, see I can say. Me kai day no, maybe you bet me a call the call archives mark ko see binya sa audio na. Or see, a juma no mo be no. Woman take even orders from the ministry. Almost or say president pet. Yes. But I'm say president the class will not do it.
Yes.
Inti ba mo ba no omunti obia. Enti ebia se bia na mampania ka bibia kire so mo kwa modus operandi
soldiers hostage.
Kwa mo fa so am ko no mo se sano dia. Then maybe we
say you I didn't know timi hold the soldiers hostage. You see yemo soldier for na baso. They only decided to be civil.
Yeah.
Omo na ye a madwen say omo nkeka omo. The soldier decided someone can come home. They acted very professionally. Soldier for no. One more active very professionally. Soldier for me and sape any two kuto mono. And the predominant church on munya match ma omo. Let's be very honest with them. Omunya match ma omo. He sebi men kain crofo ya eyeme ya. Abululu o Sudan. Enoko Afasha. I'm so almost so much. Nipa ba kope oku nipa say 400 just a single day, just a single shot. Nipa umgonum drew nipa 30. Let's be very careful the way we treat our soldiers. Yes, omo ye niema na nya ebeka last week back ya odi oye nsemu ni se kan ho asem wa. But to hold soldiers hostage, they decided to be civil. One they decided some years civil. You're more police for Nabaso. And I realized a anti-robbery for no.
Yeah.
And that unit because almost no almost training say soldiers. Almost born home de pa. So the soldiers decided to hold back. But I say almost reacted. Almost very civil. Now police for na yo medjuma because almost ka some so be yo medjuma. Say John and open cake ka sem fufuro. So na hwe ade ya be yenyi privileges bi anto nchen say no kwasem pa say John Tim you
yes I am
say ye no kre pa say your friend say kwaku dey kwaku no kana kwaku no
ai dey here ai
kwaku ado
MP ai kwaku ado
eye no krese kwaku ado ekọ holiday boys some koye huru kasem a Sir John kwaku ado emro mraso
okoye dey na ukọ akoye dey
kwaku ado emro emraso wenye party asem
dabi
womma emra no ni kwaku ado eni suohu sabi enye wonkwa wo constituency ena NAIMOS for no ye adwuma ho amanse ha omakọ yanti say assembly member mpo assembly man mpo try to
successful operations
disrupt the operations.
I mean
sabi yanti say ohini bi mpo asore on the custodian of the land aka say me ma NAIMOS for nyo adwuma kwaku ado na enye wo constituency etimi de mema kwaku ado the benefit of the doubt to say ibia adwene ode ba ho na enye saa but say adwene ode ba ho no
enye saa wo yesi yekum bi
say
wa ya frost yekum bi ho yesi ya arrest arrest no ba o maye if I don't call ekra no omo mpata omo bo ho nyinu mutwa tum
ibia na okobo omo no ma arrest no okobo NAIMOS for ntina me see ntina no ansem ansa no but say yesi yemfanto so mane nye ho asem we da abonten ne say kwaku ado wo try say wo be prevent NAIMOS for no from effecting in arrest and one and two you almost unleash terror on the NAIMOS team and no so dey ke hu pa o
just watch this one
and ke hu Sir John dey be see ya em say enu asoso bompata for so ye mo maba so
bompata for
omo ya de pa
omo enro omo so aye
yes demonstration say there be bedu insu asai insu aka e wo mpatam ho ye bompata se no so ko say dia ene ti say omutu free krom ho
just nye illegal mining said the ombe cause illegal a small scale mining company
the point is that
our secure license obey any
winning problem I war the problem we have is that and I think say what say started we need to have a second look at the definition
of small scale or illegal mining.
See irresponsible mining causes a lot of harm. We say there are people, somebody can be illegal but can be probably mining responsibly. Ubi or ni papers animal illegal.
Yeah.
Ubi or papers but or irresponsible mining or saying as it's an idea be do baby a dream into cows say me or papers and I'm tata yes or papers but mining won't swim mining or foresting irresponsible mining so it tends to become illegal mining and obi so ni papers ekura but or irresponsible mining. It's you having the license ain't enough. The bompata for no can say but enya ntie say wo ban nsuo no bompata nsuo no
I say test no abe onye adwuma
na obebo test a obo no nsuo obebo test a obebo no nsuo obebo test a obo no that is what the bompata people are saying. I don't know me yin one no omo ye demonstration no enro anopa
yes
me boa anopa be 7 am say kwa me ye boa e send me say omo ye or cover demonstration bi as at 12 me say when nti me tia so the as me come so bi amanti o beti onya so to me please na me your story no 12 ye life enumere 7 anopem ni say bi anyam a response be from the year there hasn't been any reaction from the way say it na sense mo kan nyina no because o edin dia na ese no kre ade na me yi ho no over 12 hours ni ume yi ho no in fact 7 abo 24 hours ni umi
7 it's 8
yes 24 hours ni umi ume yi ho no so say your kroma nyina be demonstration sofo and amna obi na okwa sorry e bompata asofo fo nyina di mu ye
asofo wo dia wo ha ni kasem
na bompata kro no omo ye say enra me hu chief imam wo me hu sofo
chief imam ben
ɛno demonstration no bombata chief imam no ka ho sɔfo methodist sɔfo ka ho edi animu roman sɔfo pentecost sɔfo ahemfo obiara di mu bi
ba wonim sɛ the woman say say nipa no okuta license let's say area no area or zone say be a mining zone they can call for proper maybe regulation and be bisa of more activity.
Yes, what your license in 2012. I didn't know to me mining. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 13 years in year. What are you talking about?
What are you saying?
What are you saying? Say John, my main court to I won't say and me comment shall see ya. And Lumban Samno. Akupi mo say Friday no. She say ni say o meka no suman kwan hinu so meka no sama hinu. Okay. Friday no say I be kokoto me nya so te